I get this joke, I like to tell you guys. This guy goes, he make and he go to heaven. But in order for getting to heaven, you got to answer 3 questions. So St. Peter tell him, because you answer these 3 questions, you in. So the guy says, shoot, bro. The first question. How many days in 1 year? He go, easy, cuz 12. He go, huh? How you got 12? January 1st, February 1st, March 1st. Can I help Portuguese, eh? How many teas in 1 week? He go, that's more easy. 2. Okay? Which 2? Today and tomorrow.